here with Freddie the Firetruck for Fridays with Freddie.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, Freddie. We all know that some things are really hot, like sizzling bacon. So yummy.
But we've got to wait until it's cool to eat it.
So true. And we know that some things are never hot, like ice cream. Also delicious, but not hot.
Oh, Lenore, I just thought of bacon and ice cream. Wow, that would be awesome.
That would be awesome. But some things are sometimes hot. And these type of things can be dangerous because you can't tell if they're hot just by looking at them.
Hey, how about we play the game hot, not hot, or sometimes hot?
Sure. How about we start off with something easy, like an ice cube? Yeah, not hot. Your turn, Freddie.
Thanks. Okay, how about a banana? Not hot, right? They're nice and cool.
What about a steaming cup of hot chocolate? You're right, hot. How are you doing so far, friends? I bet you're doing awesome.
Okay, how about a cookie from the cookie jar? Not hot. My mom made those cookies yesterday, so they are nice and cool.
Yummy. What about these cookies that I just pulled out of the oven? You are right, hot. We need to wait for them to cool down. Freddie, did you know that just like these cookies, the oven also needs to cool down?
So that would make the oven sometimes hot. Last picture is the stove top. Remember, hot, not hot, or sometimes hot. Right, sometimes hot. But just like the oven, you can't tell by looking at it, so don't ever touch a stove top or oven.
Exactly.
Well, that's all the time we have today for hot, not hot, or sometimes hot.
Thanks for playing with us. Okay, Freddie, are you ready to make some lunch?
Yep. Now about that bacon ice cream.
Stay safe out there and see you next Friday.